Today we're talking about who is responsible for sewer line repairs. I know, super sexy stuff. So here's the deal. It depends. If you're a seller and you're in the process of selling your property and the buyer discovers something wrong with the sewer line, the buyer's pretty likely to request that that work either be done or you give them a credit. So there's that. If your neighbor just happens to knock on your door and says, hey, there's a bunch of rats. Have you noticed all the rats? That's a telltale sign you've got sewer problems. It also could mean your neighbor has chickens. There you go. Secondly, holes. So the worst sewer lines I've ever seen in a yard, you saw little holes about that big, and it's literally from the rats coming up out of the sewer line as they feast on your sewer stuff. It's the grossest thing ever. I've even done a sewer scope where we were looking at the video and in real time a big old rat came up to the front of the photo, like front of the camera, and like sniffed around at it. It was freaking terrifying, y'all. I did actually scream in the sewer scope. What you need to know is if your sewer line fails, whether you're in the process of selling or whether it's just you owning your property or whether you're buying a property, the city is going to be notified in specific instances, and you're going to have to fix it. So if it's party line, which we have other videos that you can check out about party line, or if it's just real bad and it's in the right of way, it could be actually the city's responsibility. So 3 things you need to take away from this is it's expensive. It can be expensive, between $7,000 and $30,000 to fix your sewer. If it's party line, you need to go watch another video of ours so that you know more about that, because that is more complicated. If you're in a transaction, negotiate that. Get a credit, get them to do the work before closing. All of those things are options nowadays. And if it's just you owning your home and you found out it's bad, the city's going to give you some time to remedy that, but you're going to want to start saving your pennies to get that thing fixed. As always, it's such a pleasure to see y'all, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay cool out there. And of course, if you can't get enough of our videos, hop on over to our YouTube channel, Paris Group Realty. We'd love to see you there. See ya. Bye.